Working with fractions. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing can be applied to mixed number fraction. Each has its own method. Really? Really? Each one has a different fucking way of doing it? Really? Come on! Come on! I treated correctly. Right, okay. Right. Multiplying fractions, right? When multiplying fractions, multiply the top numbers, the numerators, so that's like 4 and 5, together, and multiply the bottom numbers, that's the denominator, so like 5 and 6 together, then simplify. Or if it is sometimes easier, simplify first. If it is it is sometimes easier to simplify first. Just for all you maths geniuses who know what is going on and know how to treat each method differently, each fucking question differently, it says sometimes easier. It says easier, not the way. Easier. Like it's an option, not the way. Right? So 4... Let's just do this one, right? Because, you know, it makes sense. Multiplying fractions, it makes sense, right? Multiply the top numbers, the 4 and 5, and multiply the bottom numbers, 5 and 6. Okay, right. So, 4 times 5, 20. That makes sense. 5 times 6, 30. And then you break that down and simplify it, like I said here. 2 and 3. Okay, that makes sense. I'm multiplying 4 and 5, like it told me to, and 5 and 6, right? Look at this. Look at this shite, right? Look at this shite. Right? Look at this one. 5 over 6 times 3 over 8. Okay. So, you would think, reveal this and put it up a bit. You would think that, okay, so they told me to do, okay, so 5, highlight, please, 5 times 3 over 6 times 8. So that would be 15 over 48. Okay? That's what it's told me to do. Right? It told me to do that. Okay? Let's see this. How is it 5 times 1? How? What? Look! 5 times 3 over 6 times 1 equals 5 times 1. How is it 1? What happened to the 3? What happened to the 3? How is that 2? What? 5 over 6 simplified is not 2. I don't know what it is, but it's not 2. There's no reason for it to be 2. The 8 stays the same. Thank fuck. The 5 stays the same. Cool. The 1 doesn't. The 1 doesn't stay the same. Neither does the 2. How? What is going on? What the fuck is going on? How the fuck is that? Why? 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 I don't get it. You know? I'll show you question 1, right? Because I had the same issue on question 1, but I kind of made my own theory. I had to make my own theory up for why it happened. It's this one, right? So 3 over 4 is equivalent to 9 over 12. Yeah, that makes sense. How? Why? Why is what is it not just 19 over 12? Right? Is it not just 19 over 12? Where does the 7 come from? Where does the 7 come from? So I was like, okay, maybe 7 plus 12, 19. Maybe you're supposed to make up the fucking number beforehand, and then you just add a 1. You just add a 1 for no fucking reason. You just do, right? You just do. Whenever you add these two together to get the top number, you gotta add a 1, right? Where did it come from? Why? I'm trying to figure out as we talk. Why? I don't get it. 5 over 16. How is it fucking 2?